Hi guys, welcome to Momo RC Studio, and today we're gonna make a gas tank for 110 scale RC car. This is a small miniature tank, gas tank, or you can use it as compressor tank or any water tank for your miniature car or your RC car, just as for an accessories for the car. So what you're gonna need is a bottle. For this I'm using a refill bottle. It's a refill liquid for e-cigarettes. And this is a pen, so you're gonna need the pen, only the body. 2 round aluminium or cardboard with the size of the bottom, 2 piece you need it. 1/8 millimeter diameter of washer, and you need a super glue, a hot glue, and a tape, aluminium tape. Okay, before we start, please do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Right, let's begin. Okay, first of all, you must clean it, dry it, make sure there's no sticky things, and chop the top off. We don't need this part, we're gonna use only this part. Alright, then drill a hole with the size of this pen, then gonna use it as the inlet for the gas tank. You can actually drill anywhere, side, top, center, anywhere. It's up to you. Right, to speed things up, I made one for you. This is the tank. This is the tip of the pen. Right. For the tip, gonna do this first. You need this aluminium tip. Cut into somewhere around 1 cm. Peel it off. Be careful while you're using sharp object. Right. Tape around the pen. Alright. Tape around the pen, then straighten it out. Give it a rub. Then you're gonna stick this at the top. To stick it, you got to use a hot glue pen, hot glue gun. Sorry, not not really good in English. Just stick it there. And let it harden. Okay, for the bottle, cut a square. You need 2. Peel it off. Take the aluminium or your thick paper or cardboard previously cut and cover the bottom. Just press around. No need to fold it because we're going to cut it. Use a scissors to cut all the aluminium around it. Right, then put it down. Right. For the other side. You can cut it roughly also can, no problem. Because we're gonna flatten it, but make sure everything is centered. Alright. Okay. For this part, gonna need to measure the bottle and cut half centimeter extra. One more, same length. other way around. Don't worry about the wrinkles, it will go out. Then cut all the excess. Side. And take your tank and roll it over the edge. Same goes the other side. It's done. That's the best of aluminium. If it's wrinkled, you just push it. Alright, for the hole, just make a hole here. Previously you cut. Take the tip. Take the tip and you slide it in. So, all right. I have taken off this washer. I'm improvising it, and to look more realistic, I put a screw here. Fill up the hole with glue. Take the screw and push it in. Alright, that's it. This is just for demo. You can make it more versatile or make it more nicely. Do a proper wrapping, proper gluing, or you can change the washer to a hex nut. To resemble the gas tank cap. It's up to you. Then you can mount your gas tank onto your car and fix a bracket, or you can use a cable tie and mount to your body. Alright, so I think that's all. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Yeah. Right.